The biggest mod of the year. A 7-inch touchscreen Ray. Yo, this is Ram Team again. Another upgrade to e46. This beauty right there. Works with steering wheel and everything. This is not your normal Android unit which you get when you can buy an OEM fit. This is a normal Galaxy A7 tablet, I believe, 7-inch. It fits in the gaps just perfectly. The top is kind of hanging out, but it's cool. So we have our YouTube and then Google Maps. Anything you really need. It's very smooth. Games, Spotify, anything really. Even the camera there. There's also some TikToks as well when you're bored. So you can watch a movie, anything. How did I did it? Yeah, a lot of work. So I took out the original stereo out and I cut all the cables off, like somewhere in the middle, and then got another set of cables and put them all together to extend it. Then I move all the head unit behind my glove compartment. I can still have my stuff in there, and it's underneath that. And the radio is constantly connected. And I connected an aux to it. I might do a Bluetooth soon. And it's always charging there in the corner. There's a charger. So I kind of made a little hole underneath. And I got in there. I moved my AC and that underneath. And it's charging there, which I'm gonna reconnect as well at some point. I'm gonna put it behind, and it'll be fucking beautiful. And now I can watch movies, anything on it.
What do you want?
And some
Want
else,
a
of course.
job that I don't hate.
Oh, I love a job. Yeah, so that's the new update on my e46. Android, baby. Hasn't been done before either. First one, e46 with this unit inside the car. Come on. And I can do a proper video of how it was installed and everything if I get enough likes. So 100 likes, I'll do a video of how I installed it in detail. Peace out.